Be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Pro. It includes a Microsoft Surface Pro 7, and I'm going to read this first and I'll show you the box. A type cover, Clavier type cover, and then they give you a pen, and then 10th gel Intel Core i5 processor. They give you 256 gigabytes. So here's the front of the box. So I'm now going to start unboxing the Surface Pro. They put the little tape seal at the bottom. And I'm going to see how, oh, it's pretty big. So here's what it looks like. That's what the box shows.
The box within the box, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to take that out. Oops. And then they give you this cool keyboard to go with it. I'll put that on the side right there. And last but not least, here we have the pen. It's at the bottom.
So everything is self-contained within the box we're unboxing.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this.
Is there anything else in that? The box?
I don't think there's anything else in here. We'll check
Okay,
later.
what you gonna open first? Show
I'm-
this thing, guy?
Yeah, I'm gonna deal with the Surface Pro. So first, here's the cover of it. First, I'm going to be unboxing the Surface Pro. Here's one of the left side. Here's the back side. And now we're gonna unbox it. I don't know how to open this, so it might take a while. So I got it open. It took a little while, but I got it open. Put that over there. And now I'm going to unbox it from the back. Now, little trouble. Took a little while. Here's the front of the screen of the Surface Pro. And then that's the back. And then we'll put him over there because I don't want to touch him. Oops. So then they give you,
These are the instructions.
okay, well, that's blank. I don't know what that is. And next. Yeah, it's the instructions. They're kind of small though, so that's the first page. I'll show the rest of it later. So you get the plug and then I don't know what this is.
That's the power outlet.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Just plug in the power.
And then I think this is what you use to charge it. I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's the thing that it charged. So put it on the side. Open this guy up.
Okay, now I'm going to open it. Let's hope I didn't break it. No, I didn't. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I didn't break it. So I don't know if I'm using it right, but there's a stand where you pull it like that. So it becomes like a tablet, and it's adjustable, so you can put it like right there. You can put it like right there if you want it to be a little lower. And I'm going to show you what these wires do. So you connect this together, and then you use this to plug it in right here, and then it charges it. And these holes right here are just the USB connections.
Okay, let it stand up.
Now we're going to be trying to connect the keyboard together with the Surface Pro. You know, I don't know how to open it, so there's a sticker holding it. Finally kind of got it like out a little bit. It's a little hard though because it's stuck. That was a little loud. And they give you some instructions right here. So put that to the side. So here's the keyboard. That's where you connect it to the Surface Pro. So there's a little spot on the bottom where you connect it. Right there.
Okay. It's not.
That's where you connect it. Those are the little holes you use to connect it. So now I'm going to try to connect it. I don't know if I think I might want to do something like that. Thank you. Now we put it like that. So
Yes.
now it's like kind of like a computer. The keys feel nice. They're not hard, but not soft. I'm going to open the pen and try to figure out where it goes. It's a little hard because my nails. No, I'll just stick it right there. And here's where the pen comes. Now I'm going to take him out. So they give you like
More instructions? Or what is it?
So I think this is the instructions. It's kind of like the Surface Pro. And that's extra stuff. And now I'm going to take out the pen. So here's the pen. And here's the bottom. And here's the top. And here's the bottom right here. And here's the top. I don't know what that does though.
And this is the ice blue color version of the pen and the
It's kind of like the keyboard,
yeah, it matches with the keyboard.
So I'm going to try to figure out where this goes. No. My heart. Oh, it turned green. See? It's
Oh, it's on? Wait, hold on. Let me focus on that.
it's on. You can see that green. I'll leave it there. If you didn't get a better view earlier. So now, after you're done using the pen that I showed you earlier, you stick it onto the side right here and it charges. So later we'll show you when we get everything set up and how it works. So now we logged into the Surface Pro and I'm going to draw something. I'm going to use the app to draw. And go to 3D shapes. So you can click on like these to you can use different shapes like the 2D and 3D. So you got all the 3D shapes like pyramid. So here you can do all the different colors. Like you can do 2D shapes. They can give you a video, or you can do like a 3D shape. And they have like a sphere, a hemisphere, a cone, pyramid, and all the other stuff. I'm gonna doodle something. So you can rotate it like that, or you can do it at different angles if you want. You can make it big or small like that, and you can also rotate it like at different angles like that, or you can like do that, or you can do it at different angles. Just cool stuff.
Okay. So draw some doodle.
Okay, I'm gonna undo that. I want to draw a doodle. Brown. He's gonna be a little bear. It's uneven. Whatever. Uneven, don't care. Also, if you don't like drawing with the pen, you can just you don't snatch it back on. So you open the area right here, slide it out, and you take this, and then you plug it in right here. I think it's one right here or something. And I got it to plug all the way in, as you can see. So here's the mouse. I don't know where I'm supposed to be. I don't know. Okay, it's on. And you can like draw like a little heart or something. I don't know. I'm not really good with the mouse because I'm not used to it.
So you can use it like regular window mouse, right?
Yeah, like a computer mouse, but I'm not used to using a mouse because usually I use something else. Though it comes with the pen, IC Blue pen, and the IC Blue keyboard. But normally, if you were to get the pen and keyboard separately, it would cost more. But if you get the bundle, it's a little cheaper. When using it, you can fold it up with the keyboard, and then, or if you don't want to use the keyboard, you can take it out, fold the back, and then you could put it in your backpack or wherever you want, and you can take it to go. So you can do it different angles like that. It's kind of low for me. I don't like that. I don't want to go too far. I might break it. You can do different angles though. Hi, this is the end video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned for more cool videos. Bye!